socks next to a swimming pool, it's because we just finished doing a house tour of this home here in Casa Milan, Quezon City. It's a perfect family home, and yeah, this backyard is so nice to hang out in. I wish I could dip my toes in it, but for now, let me just tour you around. Not for sale here in Casa Milan, Quezon City. So from the front, you can tell that it's going to be an adorable tour because you have details that you don't often see in most of our house tours, because it is quite rare to come by a house like this. So on the left side, you have your vehicle gate, and then here in the relative right portion is your pedestrian gate. And essentially what you will see beyond this wall is your main entrance, which is double doors, by the way. Access to the right side of your property, which will lead to the back. You'll see that later on. And of course, here on the left, you have your two-vehicle carport. Now, your cars are going to be partially covered kasi meron naman itong parang silong na to. And ang cute ng shape niya because it does have a balcony right above it, right? And then here on the leftmost side, you have access to the service area or your daily kitchen, or like basically your general service area like laundry and daily kitchen, as well as access to the main or formal kitchen. But before you see that, we have to go through the main entrance first. So again, you have solid wooden doors with a digital door lock. And we are not going to be using shoes for this tour. So let me take these off and let's go inside. So when you enter, you have this receiving area or your foyer, but is essentially open space that will let you see your main stairs as well as the several different areas of this floor. Okay, so you have a wall here, but you do have a window, and from here you can see your dining as well as your kitchen, like a little sneak peek. But here essentially is your conversation area. So dahil curved yung stairs, ang ganda na. Parang they also chose a round table setup for your conversation area. You have your bookshelf over here so you can display your knickknacks, books, and what have you. And since yung corner na to, which isn't really a corner because it's curved, puro bintana din siya. So it's nice and bright, even under the stairs. And then this area flows seamlessly to your living area, which also gives you a view of your backyard, which, spoiler alert, has a swimming pool as well as a jacuzzi. And then right behind your living area, you have your dining, which is actually long enough to fit an 8-seater setup right in front of your bar, which is essentially your island counter for the kitchen. As you'll notice, I probably look really tiny next to this counter kasi ang taas, which is actually really nice. Kasi proper bar height, tas yung counter, it's higher than standard, pero check this out. So the sink is right here. Mas madali maghugas ng pinggan because you don't have to bend down. It's just right here, so you don't have to worry about stuff getting wet because it's too low. And then on the other side, same counter height, you have your stove. Yun lang dito pag medyo may, when you're frying things, that might be a little closer to your face. But again, it depends on the height of whoever is living here. But that being said, you have your built-in oven, microwave, as well as your refrigerator on that side. So this is a very nice and compact and practical layout for your kitchen. Not to say that it's small, because everything is quite large. But again, it is very, tawag dito, maganda yung layout niya para sa pagluto talaga. Is what I'm trying to say. Okay, from here you have staff quarters. So in this case, meron silang bunk bed setup and it has an ensuite toilet and bath behind the barn doors. But this also acts as your guest accessible full toilet and bath. So you have your sink, your toilet, and your enclosed shower space. And again, that is basically also the ensuite toilet and bath for the staff quarters. But that's only if you need a staff quarter here. Then you have storage over here. Okay, so sorry, we're gonna have to go back. And then here we have a door that leads to the service area that I was talking about. So that one leads back out to your 2-vehicle carport, and then this entire area is all enclosed. Pero para siyang pass-through, so when the door over there is open and that door is open, may tumatagos na breeze. So I have built-in counters on either side. This one has a sink, this one has your stove, and then it's also up to you where you want to put your washing machine. Oops! And then this one leads back out to the backyard with the pool. Now, what is this? This is your staff lounge, I would say. So meron pang staff quarters dito as well as their own toilet and bath, as well as access to a full shower for the swimming pool. So that if you wanted to shower before you get into the pool, or maybe after, you have that. Okay. I'll probably do my recap later there at the poolside. So hulihin na natin yun. So let's backtrack so that you can see what this floor looks like. And that's pretty much it. So you have an impressive entrance over here because you have so much space, right? And again, you have a view of this curving stairs. Now, before we head up to the second floor, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. If you want to see more of our listings here in Casa Milan, make sure you let us know, send us a message, or go to our website, www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. Oops. Okay, so again, instead of having that corner window, you have this curved window. It looks so nice. You have a view of your subdivision, and again, it lets all this natural light flood onto both the first and the second floor. Now, when you reach your second floor landing, you have this open space perfect as a family area. So yan, meron ng couch dito, an armchair. Kulang na lang yung TV, tsaka yung shelf for the gaming console, no? And essentially, all of the rooms will lead here. Siyempre, kailangan lang bumaba, diba? So lahat ng nakatira dito, pwedeng tumambay dito, and they're all gonna see each other. And then this is the only access to the balcony at the front of the property. So this is actually a really big balcony. We have this curved area over here, and then there's a main one over here. It's nice and sunny, probably all washed out and stuff. But yeah, you have a lot of seating space here if you wanted to. May outlet na rin, so and drain in case you wanted to put any decorative elements, especially for Christmas time or what have you. So it's quite nice. And then when you go back here, you have one door that you can immediately see, at least from this main area. And this is actually the primary bedroom. So once you go in, again, you have lots of natural light flooding in thanks to the sliding glass doors over here. Now, your space really is for your king-size bed. Like, yes, I know I probably look insanely short next to this bed. But this is a huge bed, and that is the focal point of this bedroom, which is, you know, let's face it, some people just want that in their bedroom and that's it. Very minimalist living. But you can have, or you do have space for a desk in the corner if you want, or like a vanity. But put a pin on that idea. So again, you have a sliding glass door over here that leads to a balcony that has a view of the back of your property. So overlooking siya nung swimming pool. And then you have an ensuite toilet and bath, as well as a walk-in closet. So you have this much space for your his and hers storage. And then over here is a bathroom proper itself. So you have his and hers sinks, lots of storage underneath. And what I love is that you have a nook for your toilet. So it feels very cozy, very like, it's like you can concentrate just sitting on your throne at the end of a long day. And to me, that sounds wonderful. And then you have a large shower, enclosed shower area over here with two sets of rain showers. So, pwedeng sabay maligo for efficiency. So that's the primary bedroom. So the rest of the bedrooms are here by this corridor. So nakatago lang, but you actually have another set of stairs hidden here. I will check that out later. This one is a linen closet, so very convenient for everyone living here. And then this is bedroom number 2. So again, it's a room awash with natural light, thanks to the windows. And you can fit a queen-sized bed. You have a built-in vanity as well as a built-in wardrobe. This is, I want to say it's standard height, but it might be a few inches taller than standard height. So in fairness, it has a lot of vertical space. And then, oh, and if you haven't noticed, they really do like curves. Even the walls are curved. Then right next to bedroom number 2 is the common toilet and bath with your sink, your toilet, and your enclosed shower space. And then right next to that one, you have bedroom number 3. So again, you have your built-in vanity, your wardrobe, and then a queen-sized bed, or it's up to you. This might be a full-sized bed, but you can fit a much bigger bed, especially since you already have the headboard installed over here. So yeah, that's a common one. So that's the bathroom that both of these bedrooms are going to use. But what's up here? Let's check it out. So 3rd floor, and we do have this short hallway with a little bit of an open space here. So it's up to you if you want to do anything with this. Maybe a study area, perhaps. But there is another room over here, and it's actually a really big space. So this could be a family room, could be a guest bedroom. It's really up to you. But essentially, this room is made interesting, or has become interesting, not just because of the lights, but because of the shape of the ceiling. It follows the roof shape, essentially. And though it's very visually appealing. Then you have your built-in wardrobe on this corner. The thing is, you also have a door that leads to the office. So that's pretty cool. So it feels like you really have your own nook in this house. So whether you're the mom, the dad, one of the kids, and yes, I say kids because a multi-child house ito for sure, you will find a space to hang out in. And this is the common toilet and bath with your shower, your sink, and then the toilet behind the door. And you have a sort of attic. It's not really an attic, but it looks like one because of, again, the shape of the ceiling, which follows the roof shape. So yeah. Okay, so before we do a recap, check out these really nice views. Backyard, as we saw a sneak peek earlier in the video, you have a swimming pool as well as a jacuzzi, and the jacuzzi kind of like overflows onto the rest of the swimming pool. But this is such a nice backyard, very peaceful. It's free-form pool is very relaxing. And even the color is really, really nice. And again, the staff house is also in the backyard. Okay, so numbers. You have 300 square meters of lot area and 420 square meters of floor area split between 3 levels. You have 5 bedrooms, 4 toilet baths, and a 2-vehicle carport. And again, dedicated areas for your staff. And again, this is in Casa Milan, Quezon City. So if you've been looking for a place like this, a nice family home where the kids where the kids actually have space, and even the parents have like little nooks for themselves, as well as a nice swimming pool for everyone else to hang out in, do let us know, send us a message, or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. Tours, make sure you click here. And if you want to see more of our Build Your Owns or BYOs, click here. And if you want to see more of our other content, click right here. Also, if you haven't subscribed,